Hello, this is Jen, Business Manager for Kids Yoga Stories. I'm excited today to give you a peek inside the Embracing Emotions bundle. Many people have asked us what exactly is inside this bundle. So we're heading in today to see all the fun yoga, movement, and mindfulness resources that you'll receive once you purchase. So here we go. After you've purchased the Embracing Emotions bundle, you will receive a zip file with instructions on how to open this particular file format. Essentially, this is a compressed file of a variety of documents and PDFs. So once you open up the zip file, you will then open up the Embracing Emotions bundle folder. And as you will see, there are tons of wonderful resources within, 16 in total. So we'll begin with the Embracing Emotions workbook, which is a great place to start. So here we go. Once you open up the Embracing Emotions with Yoga workbook, you can go in and scroll through to see all the resources that you will receive. So we list out all of the yoga card decks and other resources within the Embracing Emotions bundle, as well as the monthly planner and the class planner to organize your ideas and plans when it comes to teaching and helping kids regulate their emotions. From there, you can go into any one of these other card decks that are available to you. And as you can see, we have Balancing Yoga cards for kids, Be My Best yoga cards, which helps boost confidence, Calming Yoga cards, which does exactly what it says in the title. Going down to the Energizing yoga cards, which helps kids to really energize themselves and works with their core strength as well. Feeling yoga cards, which helps kids identify and work through feelings. Gratitude yoga cards, which helps kids be thankful for what they have and to explore the ideas of gratitude. Growth mindset yoga cards. Kids yoga poses that are a little bit more physically challenging, which help with balance and strength. Love yoga cards, which you can imagine what that could look like, opening up the heart and opening themselves up for more self-love. Mindfulness cards, as well as you can see here, the simple meditations for kids. I'm going to open this one up because this one's really exciting. So we double click. And the 10 guided relaxation scripts that invite the positive emotions. This here includes not only the meditation scripts, but also coloring pages that you can print off and give to the kids that they can color during the meditation. It also, within this bundle, we've included Giselle reading the meditations along with some nice music in the background. So if you don't feel like reading to the children, you can just pop in the audio. As we continue exploring, we'll take a look inside one of our card decks. So this is our Balancing Yoga cards for kids, which is 20 yoga poses to increase focus and attention. And with all Kids Yoga Stories products, we include a handy index showing the poses that are provided in a very logical sequence, as well as yoga tips to help you teach the kids yoga in a thoughtful way. And then as you can see, the tree pose, and always a very specific instructions that you can read it to the children and feel confident that you're teaching them the correct pose. So that's the Balancing Yoga cards. Let's go ahead and we'll quickly open up the Growth Mindset yoga cards. It's another one of our popular card decks. So the Growth Mindset yoga cards have the mantra or affirmation and the corresponding yoga pose. Again, some yoga tips, how to practice each one of the poses, and how to incorporate that mantra or growth mindset affirmation into the movement. So in this one, I am insightful, and then the mountain pose. I am courageous, and then the warrior one pose. These are super fun card decks. As we continue to look inside, we've also included 4 yoga books. Anna and her rainbow-colored yoga mats, which is one of our most popular books. One of our newest books, Elizabeth and the Magnolia Fairy, and we'll open that one up to give a look inside. This just recently, as of October, this one is an award-winning book. So as we look inside, it deals with fear and anxiety and helps children understand that they can take healthy risks in life. As we continue to explore, we also have included Katie's karate class as well as the Grateful Giraffe. So all in total, there are 16 resources here, including the 10 audio files here for the meditations. And we hope that you enjoy it. This is a wonderful bundle, chock full of great resources that you can include in the classroom or at home or with children that you work with. We hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at any time at Giselle@kidsyogastories.com.